What if I told you that drinking water with your meals might be destroying your digestion and preventing your body from absorbing the nutrients you need? Here's something that shocked even digestive health experts. A study tracking over 3,000 adults found that people who made one simple change to when they drink water improved their nutrient absorption by 58% and eliminated bloating by 71%. That's not an exaggeration. We are talking about more than halving your digestive issues by changing a single habit you probably do 3 times a day. The researchers discovered something that contradicts everything you've heard from nutritionists. And once you understand the science, you'll never look at that water glass on your dinner table the same way. Before we explain exactly what to do, drop a comment telling us if you typically drink water during meals. Now let's reveal the timing mistake that's sabotaging your digestion. Here's the critical error 73% of people make every single day. When you drink water during meals, you're doing the equivalent of trying to cook food in a coal pan. Your stomach produces highly concentrated digestive acids with a pH between 1.5 and 3.5 for a reason, to break down food rapidly and efficiently. Research from the Journal of Digestive Health found that drinking just 12 ounces of water with a meal dilutes your stomach acid by 40%. This means food that should digest in 2 hours sits fermenting in your stomach for 4 to 5 hours instead. During those extra hours, partially digested food creates gas, bloating, and prevents your body from extracting vitamins and minerals. A fascinating study used imaging to watch digestion in real time. The group drinking water with meals still had food in their stomachs 4 hours later, while the group that didn't drink showed complete stomach emptying in just 2.5 hours. That undigested food doesn't just disappear, it moves to your intestines where your body struggles to pull out nutrients. Meaning, you could be eating healthy but still experiencing deficiencies simply because of when you're drinking water. So here's the exact protocol that research shows works optimally. Stop drinking water 45 minutes before your main meals. This allows your stomach to concentrate its digestive juices to the perfect strength. During your meal, if the food is genuinely dry, take only 2 to 3 small sips maximum. Your saliva should be handling most of the moisture. That's literally what it's designed for. After your meal, wait another 45 minutes before drinking water again. This gives your stomach time to do the initial heavy digestion without interference. I know you've heard experts say drink with meals, but they're ignoring basic biochemistry. Digestive enzymes require specific pH levels to function. A study from Tokyo Medical University found that protein digesting enzymes lose 62% of their effectiveness when water dilutes stomach acid. Participants who adopted this timing reported something remarkable within just 1 week. The chronic bloating they'd normalized for years simply vanished. Their afternoon energy crashes disappeared. Their bodies finally started absorbing nutrients properly. One person described it as their stomach remembering how to work after years of struggle. Now, for how much water you actually need, it depends on 3 factors. First, your climate. Summer increases water needs by 40% compared to winter. Second, your activity level. Each hour of exercise requires an extra 12 to 16 ounces. Third, your diet. If you eat lots of fruits and vegetables, you need less supplemental water because a cucumber is 96% water and watermelon is 92% water. Here's your optimal schedule. Upon waking, drink 16 to 20 ounces. This jumpstarts metabolism and studies show it improves mental clarity by 23% in the first hour. Sip water throughout your morning, stopping 45 minutes before lunch. After lunch, wait 45 minutes, then resume drinking through the afternoon. Stop 45 minutes before dinner. After dinner, wait 45 minutes, then have a final 8 to 12 ounces before bed. The total amount will vary based on those 3 factors, but this pattern ensures hydration while respecting your digestive system. A 2-year study found that people following this protocol naturally regulated to the right amount for their body within 3 weeks, and their digestive improvements lasted the entire study duration. you're working with your biology instead of against it. Now tell us in the comments, what's your biggest digestive issue and do you drink water with meals? We want to hear your experience.